Alright, it's 11:30. I just uploaded my swipe bar video, and now I'm gonna go put the strut bar in right now before work really quick, just to see the difference. So let's go do that. Alright, so I'm cleaning it up right now a little bit before I put it in, so I won't have to deal with it later. And I want to say that I actually ended up doing the O-ring, and this was about 2 days ago, and so far no more leak, so I think we're good on that. No more leak. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the O-ring is fixed. Wasn't even that hard to do, it's just I didn't have my camera with me and my phone died. But yeah, I cleaned all this while everything was out, so it should be pretty good. So no leak so far, which is good. Alright, so to do this I'm going to be using a 12 millimeter. It fits all of them, all four on both sides, so let me just do that really quick. Alright, so the 4 bolts are out, so let's take out the strut bar. It should be pretty simple like this. There's a GSR one. There's a Type R. That's the difference right there. So let's put the new one in. And then while this is off, might as well just spray it down a little bit, just to have it clean instead of having all that dirt there. So let me just clean that off really quick. Alright, it looks better than before on both sides, so let's just put the new one in already. So this is it right here. Looks way nicer. Way better than that one right there. Really nice. So that's it for today, guys. Later.